Attention stock market enthusiasts, are you looking to make your money work for you rather than you working for your money? Are you looking to make day trading your full-time job, or are you looking to grow your investment portfolio from a mere FD returns of 6% to a 12% or 15% returns? If you said yes to even one of these questions, you are in the right place. This is Ashok Kumar here. From 15 years of stock market experience, I have written a book called The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners. In this book, I have written about how to graduate your money from mere FD returns of 6% to a 12% return, and I have also given you the model portfolio of how I have grown my money from 30,000 investment to about 1 lakh rupees, which is about 220 to 230% of returns in just 6 years. I have also given you my list of multi-bagger stocks where I have invested and grown my investment from 2x to about 10x. Not just that, I am also giving away the futures and options day trading course free of cost if you buy the Basics of Stock Market for Beginners book only today. So what are you waiting for? Get the greatest opportunity of your lifetime, and I will give you the futures and options trading course, which in itself is 2,500 rupees worth, for free. Click the link below, buy the book. I will see you in the futures and options course.